everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to figure the cost per square foot when installing tile. Now, something to keep in mind is there's a couple different types of tile out there. You have porcelain tile, ceramic tile, and peel and stick tile. With peel and stick tile, it's not that difficult. All you have to do is get the square footage of your room and go buy that many tiles because those come in 1 square foot. So what you want to do is draw a basic outline of your room. Take some measurements, measure across from one side to the other, and put that measurement down. So we'll say 20 feet. Then measure the opposite direction, this way to this way. Let's say that's 10 feet. Now we'll multiply them so that way we can figure out our square feet. So we have 200 square feet here. Now if we're installing a peel and stick tile or even for ceramic tile, you'll need about 200 tiles. You want to get a couple extra for cuts or something like that. Now if you're installing ceramic tile, you have mortar, you have grout, you have a lot of these extra materials that you have to get. So one thing to keep in mind is we have a lot of extra materials here. So let's say all the materials to do this job is $1,000. So what we'll do is take 1,000 divided by our 200 square feet. So after we do our math, we end up with $5. So our total cost per square foot is $5 per square foot for tile installation. Now the same method could be used over all types of flooring, carpet, laminate, tile. What you do is you take your total cost for your material, divide it by however many square feet you have, and you end up with your total cost per square foot. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.